Welcome. In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. Unpairing could be useful if, for example, you want to connect your watch with another device, or maybe you want to sell it to somebody or give it to somebody and you want to disconnect it from your account. And to do that, tap on the Mibro Fit application to open the app on the iPhone that is paired with your watch, of course. Tap on the icon right here, on the device icon, and on this page tap on the settings icon, then scroll down and tap on delete device. Tap on confirm. We need to check the box and then tap on confirm, and the watch will disappear from this page, from the device page. Now we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here we can disable or rather not disable, disconnect the watch from our Bluetooth, basically from the Bluetooth devices. And to do that, find the MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro on the list of devices, tap on info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget. And the watch will disappear. And now we can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.